The most popular question in our industry is how much does a paver driveway cost? Knowing this cost will help you guys decide if pavers are the right option for your home. But today I would like to go a step further and I want to talk to you guys about things that can increase the cost of your paver driveway project. Textured pavers. Textured pavers are pavers that have texture on the surface. These textures can vary from light to rough depending on the manufacturer. Adding textured pavers to your driveway can increase the cost by approximately 80 cents to upwards of $2 depending on the paver size, manufacturer, and the quantity that you order. Permeable pavers. Permeable pavers are pavers that have open joints that are filled with various size aggregate, which are designed to let water filtrate through back into the ground. These paving systems are best used for areas that have drainage issues. If you want to add permeable pavers to your job, you'd be looking at adding approximately $1.25 to $2.50 a square foot, depending again on the quantity that you order, the paver size, and the manufacturer. Unique designs and patterns. If you're designing a paver driveway that has multiple paver options and colors, you may be looking at a cost increase. When introducing additional designs and patterns, you will be increasing the number of pavers that are needed and you'll be increasing installation time. These two things combined can increase your paver project by $1 to $3 a square foot. Polysand. Polysand is a material used to fill the joints between your pavers. When polysand is mixed with water, it creates a strong bond that prevents your pavers from shifting and moving. Selecting polysand for your driveway versus a regular sand will definitely increase the cost of your project by at least 50 to 85 cents a square foot. Large format pavers. Large pavers are becoming increasingly popular. If you choose to design a large format paver versus a standard size brick, the cost of your project will likely increase by 80 cents to $2. The reason behind this is because a large size paver is more expensive to produce. Therefore, the square foot price is more expensive than a standard brick. Tumbled papers. Tumbled papers are placed in a large round machine that constantly turns to give your pavers a more old school look, almost like a cobblestone. Tumbling pavers is an additional step in the paver process and can add an additional cost increase of 80 cents to $1 per square foot. If you want to learn more about paver driveway costs, installing textured pavers, or taking a look at some of our driveways that we've installed, go over to our video library located on our website at AmericanPavingDesign.com.